Have you noticed how every single social platform today is absolutely obsessed with short-form vertical video? If you are running a business or trying to build an audience, this means you need to be pumping out snackable clips constantly. The good news is that you absolutely do not need to spend your entire day buried in editing software just to make this happen. I have developed a 3-step workflow that lets you churn out high-performing shorts without losing your sanity. I use ChatGPT to craft the scripts, Vizard to automatically turn long-form footage into clips, and simple automation to handle the scheduling. You can legitimately create hundreds of short videos in under an hour once you master this process. Let us dive into step 1, which is writing smart prompts so ChatGPT gives you actual usable content. Most people get boring results because they ask for vague things, but you need to give the AI structure. I always define a specific role, like a content strategist, and explain exactly who the audience is for each script. Ask for the output in a table format with columns for your hook, the main points, and your call to action. This allows you to copy and paste that table directly into a Google Sheet for easy organization later. Remember to work in batches of 10 so you stay within the context limit and avoid repetitive AI output. Iterate your prompts as you go, making them punchier or more specific to your niche with every round of generation. Now, let us move to step 2, which is using Vizard to bulk create your shorts effortlessly. Vizard is a total game changer because it uses AI to find the viral moments in your long recordings automatically. Instead of manual editing, you upload your podcasts or interviews and map your script table to the clips. The AI handles the trimming, the captioning, and the formatting, so you do not have to drag a single timeline manually. To keep these videos feeling human, I always film a few seconds of simple B-roll like me smiling or pointing. When you upload these as assets, Vizard stitches them into your clips, making the final result feel authentic. Vizard also excels at auto-captioning, which is a massive time saver compared to other editing platforms. You can customize the fonts and colors to match your brand, but the heavy lifting is completely automated. Step 3 is all about scheduling and automating your posting workflow. Vizard has a built-in calendar where you can drag and drop your clips to space out your content perfectly. If you want a more advanced setup, you can use a tool like Make to loop your exports and post automatically. The goal is to get to a point where your content is published consistently without you being there. One pro tip for your workflow is to rename your files numerically, so your automation tools can pick them up in order. Keep your music consistent across the series so that your audience instantly recognizes your brand style. Before you commit to a huge batch, post your first few clips and watch the engagement data closely. Small tweaks to your hook or your caption placement can often significantly boost your click-through rate. Ultimately, Canva is great for design, Make is great for raw automation, but Vizard is the best factory for creators. It combines clip detection, auto-captioning, and scheduling into one seamless end-to-end experience. This workflow allows you to scale your output without ever losing that crucial personal connection with your audience. It is about working smarter, not harder, so you can focus on the creative ideas that actually move the needle. Try to set up this system this week, post a few clips, and just watch how your engagement shifts over time. I would love to hear how your first batch of automated shorts turns out, so feel free to share your results. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you streamline your process, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next one with more tips on how to master the creator economy.